what I'll show you here to start off is our entity relationship diagram. And so this is a manual way for you to do kind of exploratory impact analysis. And so as an example, I've pulled up our customer standard record here. You could pull up kind of any record inside or any object inside your NetSuite environment. And let's say somebody is looking at potentially making a change to this company size field. So if I click through on the company size field, what it's going to show me downstream is anything that that particular field is connected to. And I'm seeing here in this case, a pretty simple picture overall. I'm really only seeing a couple searches. So as I mentioned earlier, there really isn't a lot of technical risk here. You know, maybe I could break these searches, but there's no workflows or scripts or anything like that. You know, and downstream, if I click through, maybe to investigate this a little bit further, I can open up this record and dig into it some more. So let's say I want to see more details about this demo search, which is what it's called. I can see, you know, its type and internal ID and script ID, and I can very quickly see an overview of how it's configured. So there's no formulas. I'm not going to break any SQL here. I can see the filters that are being used, and I can see the fields that are being used. And so I can actually see that the field that I clicked through, this cust entity 7, is appearing in both spots. So changing it could have an impact on this search. However, as I scroll down, I can see that the date last used on it is June 12th of 2017. And it's really only being used by a couple people and a couple subsidiaries. So, you know, I can probably make this change very quickly. I'll check on Alex and Leo to see how they're doing and whether they're using it or not. But from an impact analysis perspective, it looks like changing this company size field will be pretty straightforward.